Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I talk about print-on-demand business, about different questions that print-on-demand entrepreneurs have. And today I want to talk about Redbubble, about starting your Redbubble account, your Redbubble sales, and the question about first sale, how to get it faster, and what you can and should do to bring your first sale to your account and to get some first royalties to your store. And if we will look to statistics, most of Redbubble artists, they got their first sale in the first month. It's something nearly half of artists, and other ones, something like 80% of sellers, they got their first sale in 2 months. So if you only started your business on Redbubble, you should understand that it is okay that you don't have your first sale in 1 week or 2 weeks, but if you already trying to bring some sales for 2 months, it's time to think if you are doing something wrong and to change your Redbubble strategy. And another interesting statistics is about number of designs that different artists uploaded to Redbubble before they got their first sale. And most of artists uploaded up to 50 different designs to the platform, and the first tip will be about number of your designs. If you are only starting your business on Redbubble, you shouldn't create only 5 or 10 designs and wait for something. No, you should illustrate a bigger amount of designs, and it is good to upload to the platform 50 and even more designs to get your first sale. And I wish you to understand that the first sale is only one sale, but you need to grow your basic income from the platform, and to do that you need to make and upload more and more designs. And the second tip will be about your mindset, because print-on-demand business on any platform and also on Redbubble, it is a marathon, not a sprint. And you need to understand that you are going to Redbubble not for months, not for 5 or 10 months. It is a business for years, and each new amount of your work can bring you another additional sales and grow your business. Usually not fast, but stable. So the better your process will be in creation of different designs, in search of trending ideas, the better results you will have in your store on Redbubble as on any other print-on-demand platform too. Next tip, third tip for today is to illustrate what people want to buy. Not what you want to make, but what is needed by your customers. You should think about your potential customers, what they want to buy, if they have some interest, what will be good for them, what will be interesting for them, and also to make something that will be liked by them. And you of course can explore some other designs, some other illustrators, artists that have interesting works, and think about how you can upgrade your designs too. Next, fourth tip for getting your first Redbubble sales faster is to design something that is trending now, what has a good search volume. And I also have a video on my channel about finding trendy searches, finding trending ideas for your designs, how you can do it, and of course you can go and watch this video. Anyway, I want to say that especially for your first sales, it is easier to make something trendy, something popular, than to illustrate some evergreen niches that have not big but stable amount of sales each month, because for first sale you can just illustrate one simple idea, one simple design, and it can bring you sales too. Next tip for your first sale on Redbubble is to illustrate some designs for searches with low competition. For example, if we will find different variants for cat search, we can find that almost 2 million different results are already available for this search. But if we will look, for example, for cat eating ramen cute noodles, we can find that only 2000 different results is for this search, and it is not the smallest number. If you will look on Redbubble search results and type different keywords, different searches, search phrases, you can find some ideas with 100 or a couple of hundred results that are popular too, that have search volume too, and of course it is much more easier to illustrate some design ideas that it's not competitive and to get your first sale in it. Another tip for first sale is to make some designs that will be different from other artists. And for example, if we will search for all I need is love and yoga and a dog, we can find a lot of different designs available, but for example, from first page I can't find any good vintage designs, retro style designs. Yeah, we can look at this vintage design, or maybe this too, but it's not very classical styled. Or for example, we can find also some minimalistic designs, and of course it will be better for you to make some designs that will stand out from different search results that are already available. For example, if you have some design idea and you will put your design here, will it be seen good in search results, or some other t-shirt will be better from this 10 results? You should definitely try to make some designs that will look better than other illustrations from your competitors. Next tip for today, or tip number 7, is about using multiple products. Redbubble gives you an opportunity to add your design to a very big range of different products, and you should use your design for the most number that is available for you. For example, you should add it also on hats, on stickers. Sticker is one of categories that sells really good on Redbubble, and often first sale come from a sticker, not from a t-shirt or not from other merch product on Redbubble, but you should definitely add your design on a wide range of available products, and it will give you a higher possibility of getting your first sale. Next tip, number 8, is about using of tags and creating a good title. You should definitely look on different listings from your competitors and look which tags they use and which titles they also have in their listings, and try to take best from their experience and implement it in your text and title creation strategy, because of course design is the main thing in print-on-demand business, but if you will have bad text and bad title in your listing, almost no one will find your design, and it will not have a lot of sales even if you created a great work, a great illustration. And a last but not least tip for today is about creating designs for different niches. I said about creating more designs in the beginning of this video, but I also want to tell you that it will be better if you will create your works not only about some concrete topic like cats or maybe some sports, but if you will mix different niches, and it is often that in one niche you will have better sales because your designs will suit better for one kind of interest, and maybe also popularity of a niche will be higher, and from other niches you will not have so much sales. So for getting your first sale faster, it is better to mix different niches, different sub-niches, and then you will find which niches works better for you. So it was 9 different tips for getting your first Redbubble sales faster. Subscribe to this channel. Here I talk about print-on-demand business with different videos about trending ideas, design ideas, and also about some basic how-to topics. For today I wish you good sales, and see you in next video. Bye.